If you need to recover your Grubhub account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Grubhub login page. Go to the Grubhub website or open the Grubhub app. Click on the login button to access the login screen. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Grubhub account. This is where Grubhub will send you instructions to reset your password. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Grubhub. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you have accessed the password reset link, create a new password for your account. Make sure it is strong and secure, then save the changes. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Grubhub account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Grubhub customer support for further assistance.